Gonna be showing you how to make a paper airplane real fast because my phone's about to die. Okay, so you're gonna want to fold it to this, like that, to the corners. Go across it, like that. Okay. Then you're gonna want to turn it to the bottom like this, where you can open it at the bottom. Then you're gonna want to fold it. Fold this to the side evenly. Do that. When you do that, you want to do this. And you want to open it back up, fold it like this. Like this. Hold on. Like, you want to fold the sides to the middle of the line of the piece. I'm sorry. Can you stop messing with the phone, Fro? Fro, you're shaking the table, so stop. Stop, Fro. Okay. Like this, and then I want to go like this. Push down, then there's gonna be something right here. Actually, nah, I'm not gonna do that one. Okay, then you're gonna want to take this, fold it up here, other side, fold it up here, then you're gonna want to open it right there. There you go. And you're gonna want to, oh, I forgot what to do. Okay, so I'm gonna have to look again, because I gotta leave. Okay, I'm coming. I'll make a part 2.